Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest work from home jobs. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for HR recruiter position from Glory Webs Creatives Private Limited. For this position, freshers and up to 1 year of experienced candidates can apply, and the salary will be up to 15,000 per month. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for business development executive position from NetAmbient. For this position, you must have graduation and also you should have minimum 6 months of experience in edtech sales. Freshers who want to make their career in edtech industry will also can apply, and you must have excellent communicational skills. And for this position, you must have laptop and Wi-Fi connection, and you are going to get your salary up to 5 lakhs per annum, and allowances will be there. If you are interested for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from Brain Cranks IT Services. They have vacancies for the following job roles like Oracle Integration Cloud, Oracle Data Integration, Oracle Fusion HCM Technical, Oracle Fusion Finance Functional Consultant. These are the job vacancies. Like it will be on contract basis or 1 year extendable, and for these positions you must have 5 years plus experience in the respective fields. If you are interested for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from end-to-end IT solutions. They have vacancies for the following job roles. Like for the position of software developer CAsh, the candidate must have 3 years plus experience in the same field. For the manual QA engineer lead position, you must have 4 years plus experience. For the manual QA engineer position, you should have 2 years plus experience in the same field. For these positions, the interview mode will be online interview. Like the job location will be Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And if we see the benefits, like the salary will be noble for the right candidate, and 5 days working days, and work from home also available. There will be flexible timings and monthly celebrations and learning environment. If you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from Cosent Infotech. They have vacancies for the following job roles. Like for the position of US IT recruiter, they should have experience with MSP or direct clients. And also you should have experience for 6 months to 5 years in US IT staffing, and you must be worked on W2 IT requirements. Next one, for the position of US non-IT recruiter, like engineering recruiters, you should have experience for 6 months to 5 years in US non-IT engineering requirement, like recruitment in aerospace, aviation, defense, and oil and gas. For these positions, you must have graduation, and you must be willing to work in US night shift, like 7:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. Monday to Friday. And you please check once the benefits given here, like it will be work from home. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for corporate HR or HR executive or senior HR executive position for internal hiring, and it is from Amiga Informatics. For this position, there are 4 vacancies are available, and you should be from USA and India IT staffing background only, and also you should have minimum 3 to 7 years of experience from India and USA IT staffing background, and you should have excellent communicational skills and a proficient in job boards and LinkedIn. And it will be permanent work from home option, and the shift timings will be India, UK or USA. And you please check once the benefits are given here. Interested candidates, if you are fit for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for IT recruiter position for US IT staffing, and it is from Xiatech Incorporated. For this position, the candidate must have 1.5 to 4 years of experience in the same field. And you please check once the skills required for you. And the work timings will be 7:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. And it will be work from home till March 2022. If you are interested for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Python developer position for web scraping, and it is from GMware. For this position, you should have skills like Beautiful Soup, Scrappy and Selenium. If you are interested for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from Krishna Innovative Software Private Limited. They have vacancies for the following job roles like main stack developer, React.js developer and Node.js developer. For these positions, you must have minimum 2 years of experience, and you should have experience in JavaScript, React.js, Node.js and Express.js, and you should have experience in MongoDB web services working, and also you should have experience of Ajax, JSON, REST API, and you should have strong proficiency in React designing and building end-to-end scalable applications using MainStack. And there will be 5 days working. And interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for full stack developer position from Aldra Technologies, like it is from the functional area of engineering software. For this position, you must have 2 years plus experience in the same field, and you should have experience and sound knowledge in core Java and OOPS concepts. And you please check once rest of the experience and the skills required for you. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from Maximus. They are hiring software developers for different product development companies. And if you see them one by one, like for the position of front-end developer, you should have 1 to 5 years of work experience, and there are 15 vacancies are there. And for the Shopify developer, you should have 1 to 3 years of work experience with WordPress, and there are 10 vacancies are available. For the Python developer position, you should have 2 to 3 years of work experience, and there are 13 vacancies are present. For the Node.js developer, you should have 1 to 3 years of work experience, and there are 5 vacancies are available. For the Android developer position with Java and Android SDK, you should have 1 to 4 years of work experience, and there are 10 vacancies are available, and you should be work from Bangalore. Next one, for the position of React.js developer, you should have 1 to 4 years of experience, and there are 5 vacancies are available. And for the iOS developer position, you should have 2 to 5 years of experience in the same field, and there are 5 vacancies are available, and you should be work from Bangalore. For the WooCommerce or WordPress developer position, you should have 2 to 5 years of work experience, and there are 3 vacancies are available. For the Java leads, you should have 5 to 9 years of experience in the same field, and there are 10 vacancies are available. For the Node.js and React developer positions or leads, you should have 5 to 9 years of experience in the same field, and there are 10 vacancies are available. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.